So you've heard about the Meydan Free Zone and its promises of fast, fully digital business setup. But how does the process really work? What documents do you need? How long does it take? And what kind of costs should you expect? In this episode, I'll guide you through the full setup journey in Meydan. From paperwork to timelines, from pricing to insider tips, so that you can start your venture with clarity and confidence. Hi, I'm Richard Kupchev from Safari Star. We've helped dozens of founders, from solo consultants to growing startups, launch their companies inside Meydan Free Zone. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, highlighting what you need to know and what to avoid. Let's start with the basics. To register your company in Meydan, you'll need to submit a clear copy of your passport, a passport-sized photo, and your chosen business activity. If your company has corporate shareholders, you'll need the standard corporate documents as well. The certificate of incorporation, the memorandum of association article, a board resolution, and the power of attorney appointing someone to act on behalf of the company. All corporate documents must be notarized and, in most cases, attested, especially if they're issued outside the UAE. Once all required documents are submitted and the application is complete, company registration is usually approved in just 1 to 3 working days. Next comes your establishment card and the registration with the immigration, which takes another 2 to 4 working days. If you're applying for a visa, factor in another 10 to 15 working days to complete your Emirates ID, medical check, and visa stamping. And the final step, opening your bank account. This varies depending on your profile and the bank you've chosen. It can take as little as 2 weeks or sometimes up to 6. One quick tip, don't wait to start your visa process. Begin right after incorporation, so you can move forward with your banking without delay. Now let's talk about costs. A basic package with 0 visa allocation starts from around 12,500 dirham per year. If you need 1 or 2 visa slots, expect to pay a bit more, starting from about 16,000 dirham, depending on your business activity and any optional add-ons. You will also need to budget extra for medical tests, Emirates IDs, visa stampings, and health insurance, all mandatory for visa holders. And don't forget, most banks require a minimum balance to open a business account. The amount can range from 25,000 to 50,000 dirham, depending on the institution. Even though Meydan offers a smooth process, there are still a few common mistakes that can cause delays. The first is submitting incomplete or inconsistent documents. A mismatch in names or missing signatures can slow things down. Another is choosing the wrong business activity, which can affect the visa eligibility or raise red flags when you try to open a bank account. Some founders also underestimate the timeline for visa processing and medical appointments, assuming it will happen instantly. It won't, so plan accordingly. And finally, don't overlook VAT registration or bookkeeping. If your revenue crosses the threshold, you'll be expected to comply, and failing to do so could lead to penalties. If you want to start strong, I recommend 3 things. First, double-check your business activity with a professional before you apply. It's much easier to get it right from beginning than to change later. Second, clarify from the start how many visas you'll need, not just now, but in the next 12 months. Planning ahead can save both time and money. And third, invest in an accounting service right away. Even if you're just starting out, having your books in order from day one makes a big difference, especially if you plan to apply for funding or scale your team in the near future. Thanks for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide gave you a clear picture of how to start your business in the Meydan Free Zone. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future episodes. In the next video, we'll explore what it takes to stay compliant in Meydan, including tax registration, ESR, UBO filing, and more. It's one thing to set up fast and another to stay on track as your business grows. I look forward to seeing you in episode 3.